Hi folks, welcome back. Hope you are doing well. Today I will bring you a new strategy with ICT concept. Once I give you this strategy, make sure you add your confluences and make your own model by doing a back test on it. Okay, so let's get started. Before I start this video, make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel if you are new to our channel. So let's get started. Basically, this strategy called ORB means opening range breakout. So I combine these with ICT. So basically, what is the basic of this concept? And the retail traders who trade on it, it's they will mark 15-minute or 30-minute candle. Okay, so we will go for 15-minute. 15-minute candle high and low, and candle with wicks. Okay, and then they wait for breakout from upside or downside, and on the retest of it they buy and break down from downside, retest and sell. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are adding ICT concept with that is that if we are bullish, we will see a higher time frame confluence with that, where the ICT play the roles. Like we have to see if we are bullish, price have this fair value gap. Now it can possible that this 15-minute itself can touch that POI. Okay, and we are no need to wait for a breakout. We can take trade once it's tap on key level, and we have some sort of liquidity area here. So what we will do, we will wait for an inversion fair value gap. Okay, and then buy from there or sell from there respectively. One more thing I want to add, if you take that entry on the macros hour like 9:50 to 10:10, that will be more precise for you. Okay, so this is the theoretical part. Let me show you the practical part on the chart itself. Okay, so what we have to do every day, we have to find out our first key level. We are overall bullish, right? So what happened, 8:30 the price came and respect from these fair value gap. Okay, and took out the liquidity of these relative equal lows, and you can see that. Okay, took the liquidity. So we are seems like clearly bullish. So what we have to do, we go to 15-minute time frame, and every day 9:30 to 9:45 that candle we have to mark out the high and the low. Okay, let's me go back more. Okay, high and low, we already respecting this fair value gap, right? And we are bullish, so we have also area of liquidity above previous day high, right? So what we will do then, we will go to 1-minute time frame and wait for our model to be created. So what happened, if you see exactly, we have this fair value gap, okay, which got respected, took the liquidity and inverse, right? You can directly enter buy from here. Okay, but if you are doing with the macros hour is also good. You can buy from here because you meet the criterias, like we reach on we coming from where and where are we going. Okay, so let's say you buy from on this hammer. Okay, so buy from here, your SL is below this fair value gap. Okay, and your TP will be on the liquidity area. Okay, 1 to 2 I preferred. So let's see how it's play this part. Your partial can be here. Okay, and then we will wait. anyone buy from here, he can TP also these high as well. Okay, for you don't have to wait for that much also to be that profit that to be took that trade that go that much far. Okay, so you have to backtest on this strategy and create your own model. This is the only way you can trade it. Okay, there is many way, the OTE also, from high, low, OT level. Okay, all confluences will come on through all ICT concept. Everything become in alignment once you are in the right direction. Okay, so I hope you learned something from this video. Make sure you join a good platform. If you don't have, I will give you the link in the description. It's a cheap instant funding platform. You buy from there, and meet you in the next video. And regarding my previous week, I didn't take any trade on my funded account. I was busy, and also I didn't find any good setup while I'm watching the charts as well. So in the next week, I hope we will get something. I will share with you. Best of luck.